Hello, this video is how to create the armature for the alien that we created in the last video. So first, append the alien, then you get it like this without the spaceship. Then, when you do that, go to bring it in the z-axis and R90 negative. Enter, go to camera view and make sure it's the correct position. If it is a little black, R90, then go to your camera view and bring it there. Then hit 0. Then select your alien, go to tab, and remember, do not apply the subdivide. Go to tab with your alien, turn on X-ray, go to 3, select half if it doesn't work. Then hit delete faces. Then if there's any extras, turn off X-ray and select those extras and just hit delete faces. Then you can see that we have some of the feet ones. Then if it doesn't work again, just try it again and turn on X-ray. And see if there's any not selected. Then you can hit delete faces. Then you have a perfect tab. Go to the modifiers and hit mirror and do it on the y-axis and turn off it. Then apply it. For the armature, we would need to right click and set origin to geometry. Alt G, Shift A, armature. Then before we do that, our little alien needs some fingers. So create some cuts here. It will look a little weird at that time. So size those spaces up. Size those spaces select those ones and size them down, and select those ones and size them down only a little bit. 3 and select those fingers. Alt-E, extrude individual faces. Then you have 4 fingers and add one edge loop here for the thumb. E, scale, and one more. 3 and E, and make and select that one and that one. Then extrude. Control R and create one bevel there. Select those ones. Rotate them only a little bit to create some fingers. Then they look too much to the ground, so go to X-ray mode, select those ones, G, and bring them up, and create the edge loop there. And we might have to do it again. So 3. Before we do that, the legs, the hands look like they need some grabbing. And when you're doing that, turn on proportional edit. If that doesn't work, turn off proportional editing. Select those faces. Then grab them. About there is good. Then go to 3, then select 1/2. Get out of X-ray. And select N. Then delete faces and tab edit mirror in the plus. So then we can add an armature. Shift A, armature. And I forgot to turn on my shortcut keys. So armature, you can't see it. Go to this person. Viewport displays in front so you can see it. So S scale it about there. There. Tab, extrude, and extrude. Then extrude, 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 extrude. For the fingers, grab that one and that one and get it in place. Extrude one. There. One here, one here. Try moving the one here and extrude it. And extrude it. And extrude that one there. So then select all of them. X-ray. Grab. Turn off X-ray. Turn off X-ray, then select the thumb, the point of the thumb, then drag. Okay. Then we have the shape of that can wait. Or instead of doing that, you can just put it there, extrude and extrude, and same with the hands. Extrude, extrude. If you want to do that, you can. Extrude, extrude, grab it here, extrude there, and one here, and try to get the point. So this looks good for the arm. Then E, extrude one there, here, and here. Extrude one here, and one there for the point. Then just select those ones and turn on X-ray. And select Shift D, enter M, Control M, and click X and grab. If that doesn't work, do it again. Delete phones. Select them. Shift D, Shift M, Control M, X, enter, and just put the position there. So if you tab, you have it. Turn off X-ray. Select your body, then your bone. Control P with automatic weights. Then if you go to pose mode, and let's try it. R, and you kind of have let's try the fingers. The thumb's good. Yeah. Yeah, you can use this for animation if you like to. So thank you for watching, and this way, and you can, and thank you for watching it. And if you want to create some animations, if you just hit this auto keyframe, it records, or you can just go to the animation and into frame. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was useful. Thank you.